Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw tips and tricks, and I had a viewer or a subscriber ask me a question off one of my videos, how to space out lines at a certain distance, and I've done a couple videos on that, but I thought I'd throw this in. So get your 2-point line, hold down your control button and make you a line. Then go up to your nudge distance when nothing is checked and change it to, he wanted 7/16, so we're gonna go 0.4375. Now Corel's going to round it off to 4378. Control D and make a duplicate and just move your arrow up, and then Control D as many times you like, and each one of those lines are 7/16 apart. Now inside of Corel, as always, and that's one of the reasons I kind of decided to make the video, I always have my nudge factor on 0.001. If you don't have a calculator handy and you want to know what 7/16 is, you can actually write in the equation here, 7/16, and it gives you that 0.4378. Anyway, I hope that helped him a little bit, and thank you for watching.